Hello and welcome to Quick Anatomy Hub. This is a basic tutorial about normal anatomical planes of body. Firstly, we are going to talk about normal anatomical position of the body. So you can see in this image that a human is standing facing forward with his palms facing outward and forearms are supinated and his feet are facing forward. So when you describe anatomical structure, you talk about them with reference to this position. So now coming to planes of the body, there are three major planes: the sagittal plane, the coronal plane, and the transverse plane. The sagittal plane, which is shown in red color here, this plane divides the body into two equal right and left halves and it runs straight down in the midline. This is also called median sagittal plane or mid sagittal plane. It is named after a suture between the two parietal bones of the skull, which is called the sagittal suture. Next, we have the coronal plane. The coronal plane is shown in blue color here. It is oriented vertically and divides the body into anterior and posterior halves. It runs perpendicular to the sagittal plane. The coronal plane is also named after a suture between the two parietal bones with the frontal bone. Next, we have the transverse plane, which is also called horizontal or axial plane. It runs horizontally and divides the body into upper and lower parts. There is also another plane called parasagittal plane. It divides the body into unequal right and left halves. It runs parallel to the mid-sagittal plane. Here is a quick review. We have discussed the normal anatomical position of the body. It says a body is standing erect, facing forward, with arms hanging down, palms and toes facing forward. We have also covered the anatomical planes, the sagittal, transverse, and coronal planes. So we have covered the anatomical planes of the body. Hopefully that will be useful and you will remember what this means when you hear them. If you have any question, you can comment below. Thank you.